Welcome back to OneStopTutorials.com. Monsieur Alibaba back again. How you doing, everyone? Now, I've just had a haircut. I went up to my local barbers. This man who cuts my hair, he is so old. He must be something like 80 years old or something, but I sit in a chair. He shaves my head. He gives me a beard shave. He trims my beard, gives me a little bit of a back massage, and it cost me £1, $2. I just love this country, okay? They just sit there all day, these old men, and they just moan. I like hanging out with these old guys, and me being a foreigner and a Westerner, I stand out like a sore thumb. So here we are. We're here with Flash in front of us, and what we want to get into this one is we want to get into the button symbol. In the last tutorial we got into the graphic symbol. Now we're going to get into the button symbol. Now the button symbol, generally you use the button symbols for things like menus, buttons, obviously, advertising, anything that really that you want someone to click. So you can have this nice advert going down the side of your website, and you could by using button symbols you can apply clicks, and you use a bit of action script and things like that. So let me show you how to get this going. This is pretty simple stuff. First, I'm going to select our rectangular tool. I'm just going to make a small rectangular tool, and there we go. Okay, so like in the last tutorial, we need to convert this to a symbol. So I'm going to grab myself my selection tool. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to hit F8, which is the shortcut. I'm going to name this but. Okay, and we're going to choose the type. We're going to choose button. Okay, again, registration top left. That's fine for now. And I'm going to hit OK. And as you can see, as always, there is our button because it's there is our symbol because it's got the blue line around it. If I come to library, you'll notice we have one in there called but. Okay, so like in the last tutorial, the way to edit these symbols, especially this button symbol, is you have to double left click on it to go into, as I call it, the button back office. Okay, and this will allow you to edit it and stuff. Now if you look at the timeline here, you'll notice that things are a bit different than, let's say, the graphic button. Okay, what we have here is we have up, over, down and hit. Now up is what the button looks like. So if you built a button menu and you put it on your website, that's what people see. Okay, they see the up, so they'll see, in our case, the green with the black stroke. The over is like a hover effect, so when their mouse goes over it, it changes to whatever you've changed the button, and we'll show you how to do that. The down is that when they click on the button, again you can modify that to anything that you want. And the hit is generally, I don't pretty much use this, but what it can do is bring you basically back to the up. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. Okay, what you need to do is, like at the moment we have a button. I know it's not sexy, please bear with me. Just imagine this is the most sexiest button that you've seen, but at the moment we got this green with a black stroke button. Okay, what I want to do is on the over, I want to right click and I want to insert keyframe. Now I know we haven't got into timelines yet, and we will be soon, but I just want to show you how this actually works. So now we're on over. Now what we can do is we can actually edit this button. Okay, so I'm going to change it to something like, I don't know, I'm going to change it to something like orange. Okay, so on up green, on over orange, then on down I'm going to do a right click, insert keyframe, and I'm going to have one more color. What should I change it to? Red. Oh, no, don't want red. I'm going to change it to pink. There we go. I'm going to go pretty mad. And on hit, I'm pretty much, actually I'm going to leave hit as it is. So the way, what we got here, we've got on up green, over orange, down pink. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, I'm going to test this movie. I'm going to show you what it looks like in sort of real browser style. Okay, I'm going to go up to here to control, and I'm going to choose test movie. The shortcut is control plus enter or command enter. So I'm going to test movie. What I'll do is render it out, and as you can see, there is on up we had this box to be green. Okay, and there's our bog standard button. Now as soon as I hover my mouse over it, you'll notice it went to that orange color that we put on over, and when I click on it, you'll notice it turns to that pink color that we have on down. Okay, so there it is. As I hover, it changes. As I click, it changes, and that's pretty much what it does. I mean, like I say, you can do this with advertising and a lot of stuff. What you can also do is you can make a new layer, so you can come to this little icon here, and it's the same as Photoshop and a few other Adobe products. Simply left click on that, you can make a new layer, and then you can do again. So let's say you wanted this new layer to have text on it, and on the up you wanted the text to be red, on the over you wanted it to be blue, and on the down you wanted it to be pink. Whatever, you can come in here, do exactly the same process by right clicking, insert keyframe, and then edit the actual box. Okay, so that's how you add a new layer. Like I say, we're going to be getting into layers and stuff like that very soon, but for the time being I just wanted to show you how this worked and what is the use of it. Take it easy, guys and girls. Hope you're enjoying the tutorials. Any problems, let me know, and if anyone's looking for a haircut for $2 or £1, I'm the man that can sort it out for you. Take it easy, everyone.